Hello aspirants, I am here to tell you about objectives of Indian history. In the previous lecture, we have learned about chapter lecture 6th in that post-modern period. Now it's lecture 7, we have discussed about Gupta periods. In this chapter, there is a 79 question with their detailed explanation. In this book, they have covered 1800 plus MCQs question with their detailed explanation. It covers previous year question, NCERT's waste questions which help you in MPPSC, UPSC and your other state exam. Now let's talk about questions. Started with question first. Who titled Samudragupta as a Napoleon of India? Your option is Alexander, second is V.A. Smith, third is Max Bowler and the third is James Princip. The correct answer is V.A. Smith. The description is that Samudragupta 334 and 380 AD was the greatest ruler of Gupta dynasty. It is also known as Napoleon of India. Historically, V.A. Smith called him so because of the great military construct most of the use them. By return by quote of Harsha Sena, who described him as a hero of 1,000 battles. Now let's talk about question second. The first example of sati appear in Gupta period era. As your option is Iran MP, second option is Nagod MP, Jhansi UP and fourth is Bagh MP. The correct answer and the description is the 510 CE, the inscription of Iran in Sagar district of Madhya Pradesh, mentioning the wife of Gup Raja, a vessel of Bindugupt, burning herself on husband pride is considered to be a sati stone. Now let's talk about question third. There are only two examples of cave paintings of the Gupta period in ancient India. One of these paintings of Ajanta caves, where is the other serving example of Gupta painting? Your option is Aloe Vera caves, Bagh caves, Nasik caves, Lomans Rishi caves. Your correct answer is the Bagh caves. The Bagh caves are a group of 9 rock cut movement. During the Gupta period, Buddhist art became prominent. These caves were established by Guptas, established by Buddhist monk Dhatra. Now let's talk about question 4. Who was the first Gupta ruler to issue coin? Your option is Chandragupta I, second is Samudragupta, third is Chandragupta II and the fourth is Kumargupta. The gold coin being protected of Chandragupta and Kumargupta Devi was being discovered at various places in the North India, which suggested that he was the first ruler of Gupta dynasty to issue coin. Now let's all this have to told you this question mentioned in the book itself. You can also join our Telegram channel that mentioned in the description box as well. You can directly contact to Indore Takshila Publication Indore. These books can be available on Amazon as well. We have started the question and answer series that you can answer the question in our comment box. You can also join our YouTube channel. Thank you.